Hello everyone, welcome once more to my channel, and today I just want to embark on building website with Orchard Core CMS and any justifications, the point which actually leads someone, any developer, any architecture towards Orchard Core CMS. Now, Orchard Core CMS as an introduction is a complete rewrite of Orchard Core, the legacy version, the Orchard CMS on legacy version on to ASP.NET Core, and it is designed for improved performance and alignment with ASP.NET Core development models. Okay, so now let's come to the performance. Now this might be the most obvious change when you start using Orchard Core CMS over its predecessor, which is Orchard 1. Okay, now it is extremely fast for a CMS. So fast that we haven't even cared about, or the architects or the designers of this Orchard Core didn't care about working on an output cache module. To give you an idea, without caching, Orchard Core CMS is around 20 times faster than the previous version or predecessor. And you don't need an output cache module. So, and about portability, it is now possible to develop and deploy Orchard Core CMS on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. And the architects and developers of Orchard Core CMS made sure that Docker images are available for easy setup. Then comes the important point of database support. So it is compatible with SQL Server, MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, and SQLite. And it also follows all MySQL rules. And document database abstraction is used using YesSQL. So YesSQL, what it does is, it is a document abstraction that provides a document database API to store and query documents, which is a much better approach for CMS systems and helps performance significantly. Then comes the important point of NuGet Packages. Modules and themes are now shared as NuGet Packages. Creating a new website with Orchard Core CMS is actually as simple as referencing a single meta package from the NuGet gallery. And it also means that updating to a newer version only involves updating the version number of this package. Then comes the live preview advantage. So when editing a content item, you can now see live how it will look like on your site even before saving your content. And it also works for templates, where you can browse any page to inspect the impact of a change on templates as you type it. Then comes something like liquid markup or liquid language, liquid templates, and it supports liquid template language for secure and flexible HTML customization. And editors can safely change the HTML templates with the liquid template language, which is chosen as it's both very well documented, like in Shopify and Jekyll, and secure. Then comes the custom queries. And the developers and designers and architects, they wanted to provide a way for developers to access all their data as simply as possible. So they created a module that lets you create custom ad hoc SQL queries and Lucene query, ad hoc SQL and Lucene queries that can be reused to display custom content or exposed as API endpoints. You can use it to create efficient queries or expose your data to SPA application. And then comes the all important deployment plans. Deployment plans are scripts that can contain content and metadata to build a website. You can now include binary files and even use them to deploy your sites remotely from a staging to a production environment. They can also be part of NuGet packages, allowing you to ship predefined websites. and it's an all important aspect for particularly the solution architects and IT architects. And scalability, because Orchard Core is a multi-tenant system, one is able to host as many websites as they want with a single deployment. Okay, a typical cloud machine can then host thousands of sites in parallel with database, content, theme, and user isolation. Okay, then comes workflow, and you can create content approval workflows, react to webhooks, take actions when forms are submitted, and any other process that you'd like to implement with a user-friendly UI. Finally, on to GraphQL. Now, the developers have provided a very flexible GraphQL API such that any authorized external application can reuse your content like the SPA applications or static site generators. That's all about it as an introduction. Thank you for attending the session. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and put your valuable comments, which I am sure will be answered as fast as possible. Thank you.